In this short tutorial, we'll be looking at a variety of special number patterns. You're probably quite familiar already with whole numbers, okay, so we can look at basic patterns involving whole numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, and directed numbers. So these number patterns that can involve negative numbers and positive numbers. So it's actually telling you the direction. So you often see these with a subtraction symbol or an addition symbol. So for example, we can have a pattern like this: -4, -3. The temperature is getting a bit warmer, so eventually -1. Then we get to 0, and then we're looking at +1, +2. So the key with directed numbers is that we'll have a negative or a positive indicator there. Even numbers, we should do this one quite well. Okay, so if we're counting by 2s, 4, 6, 8, 10, and our odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, and it continues, of course. Now let's have a look at square numbers. Okay, so you often see square numbers written with a little 2 next to it like that. Okay, so what this is actually saying is that that is 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared. Okay, so that's what we're referring to when we're talking about square numbers. So for example, this here, 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9. So when you have a little 2 present here, square root of 2, okay, you're multiplying the number by itself. So 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. So if you have like larger numbers, you can go up to, well, 8 squared, well, that is referring to 8 times 8. If we know our times tables, that's going to be 64. Okay, so 8 squared equals 64. It's easy to look at square numbers too visually, so hopefully this helps you out a bit too. So as you can see, 1 times 1, or 1 squared, is equal to 1. 2 times 2, got 4 dots, so 2 by 2 is 4. 3 by 3, 9. 4 squared, or 4 times 4 is 16. 5 squared, 25. 6 squared, 36. So triangular numbers. You might be looking at these numbers here and go, oh my goodness, what in the world do these have to do with triangles? Okay, well, similar to squared numbers, it's very useful to think about these numbers visually as well to help you understand the concept. Triangular numbers actually got their name specifically on how they actually appear when they're created with the use of dots. So have a look. For example, number 1 doesn't exactly look like a triangle. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. So there you go, that looks like a triangle. Then it goes to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we've got 10. Goes 1, then the 2, then the 3, then we're plussing 4. We've got 15. Start with the 1, then the 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So each time, you can see we're starting off with 1, well then it's going to be 1 plus 2. Starting again, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then over here we've got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And we got over here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.